Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you enable announce notifications. After enabling this option, the Siri will announce notifications for you while your phone is silent mode or your phone is away from you. You can enable this option by going to settings. Now you have to scroll down and find Siri and search. Here is Siri and search. Click on it. Here you can see there is option of announce notifications. You have to click on this option. Now you have to enable this option by clicking here. Now you can choose to announce notifications only in headphones. If you enable this option, then the notifications will only announce in headphones. If you turn off this option, then the notifications will announce every time you receive any notification. So you can choose the custom apps, like you can choose Instagram to announce notifications, or you can choose WhatsApp, etc. You can choose selected apps, or you can choose all of them. After that, you are all set. If you receive any notification on your iPhone, then the Siri will announce it for you. And if you want to disable this announcement, so open settings and go to Siri and search again, and go to announce notifications and just turn off this option. Now Siri will not announce any notifications. So this is how you can enable announce notifications on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.